आगे बढ़ते अगली खबर का रुख करते हैं। आज दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है जिसमें केजरीवाल को बड़ी यूं कह सकते हैं कि झटका दिया गया है और लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल को ही प्रशासनिक प्रमुख बनाया गया है, बताया गया है। एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इस वक्त एलजी कर रहा है।
69th Amendment Act 1991, inserting Article 239AA, making special provisions with respect to Delhi. पहली बार तो उसमें जब आप यूनियन टेरिटरी बन जाते हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि ये एक तरह से केंद्रीय शासित राज्य होता है. It is under the direction of the union government and the President of India, of which the Lieutenant Governor under the article is the delegate. दूसरी चीज इस ऑर्डर में आर्टिकल 239 of the Constitution continues to be applicable to NCT of Delhi, and insertion of 239AA has not diluted the application of 239 in any manner. उनके कहा यह गया था कि 239AA जब बाद में आ गया तो 239 ही खत्म हो जाता है, तो वैसा नहीं है, ये हाई कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट किया है. The contention of the Delhi government that the Lieutenant Governor is bound to act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers in relation to matters in respect of which the power to make laws has been conferred on the Legislative Assembly of NCT of Delhi of Article 239AA of the Constitution is without substance and cannot be accepted. ये भी अब सबको वाज़ेह हो जाना चाहिए कि the Lieutenant Governor is not bound to accept the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Fourth, it is mandatory under the constitutional scheme to communicate the decision of the Council of Ministers to the Lieutenant Governor, even in relation to the matters in respect to which power to make laws has been conferred on the Legislative Assembly of the NCT of Delhi under Clause 3A of Article 239AA of the Constitution, and an order thereon can be issued only where the Lieutenant Governor does not take a different view and no reference to the central government is required. 5. The matters connected with services fall outside the purview of the Legislative Assembly of the NCT of Delhi. Therefore, the direction in the impugned notification of so-and-so date that the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi shall, in respect of matters connected with service, exercise the powers and discharge the functions of the central government to the extent delegated to him from time to time by the President is neither illegal nor unconstitutional. 6. The direction in the impugned notification dated so-and-so, as reiterated in the notification so-and-so, that the anti-corruption branch police station shall not take any cognizance of offences against officers, employees and functionaries of central government is in accordance with the constitutional scheme and warrants no interference, etc., etc. Next. Notification dated so-and-so issued by the Directorate of Vigilance Government of NCT of Delhi under Section 3 of the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952, appointing the Commission of Inquiry for inquiring into all aspects of the award of work related to the grant of CNG fitness, etc., etc., is illegal since the same was issued without seeking the views, concurrence of the Lieutenant Governor. And the same is in with the next one, where the Commission of Inquiry for the DDCA has also been declared illegal. Next, the appointment of the nominee directors of the government of NCT of Delhi on the board of BSES Rajdhani, etc., etc., by the Delhi Power Company Limited on the basis of the recommendations of the Chief Minister without communicating the decision of the Chief Minister to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi for his views is illegal. The proceedings of the government of Delhi, etc., etc., issuing policy directions to the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission regarding disruption of electricity supplies, etc., cannot be issued without communicating to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi for his views. Notification issued by the NCT of Delhi regarding Revenue Department for the stamp duty matter, if you remember, revising the minimum rates for the purpose of chargeability of stamp duty related to sale transfer of agricultural land is illegal, since the said notification was issued without seeking the views, concurrence of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi.
नजीब यंग उपराज्यपाल दिल्ली, यानी कि बिना एलजी की अनुमति लिए जो नोटिफिकेशन पहले जारी किए गए थे या जो नियुक्तियां की गई थी वो सब इस फैसले के बाद रद्द हो गई।